from the right side, also King's Palace.
This for the temple.
Temple,
Yeah, it's temple for.
hram. And from our left side, what is this?
This is a school.
What?
It's for the school for my king is made for the.
Looks like some embassy. It's not embassy.
Like embassy?
I don't know. Looks like
No. It's for the school. School.
Who? School. Aha, škola. Aha. Kako je lepo ovaj hram. What is this?
King Palace.
King's Palace.
Yeah. So big.
To je kraljevo imanje. To je King's property. Everything here is a King's Palace from left side.
Yeah.
Sve je ovo njegovo imanje. Eno ga i vojnik stoji. Ogromno je. It's very huge. His backyard is very huge. Ali ima dvorište u sred grada. Ogromno. Kralj. Sve je ovo njegovo. Fontana. Indo dole. Ovo je slika. Slika kralja i njegove porodice.
It's very big.
Yeah, very big backyard.